Good morning. Today we will talk about the soft starter. What is soft starter?
The soft starter is a starter that is used to start an induction motor so that it will not take a high rush current.
Okay. So like we are using direct online, star delta, auto transformer. So direct online is directly starting. Star delta first is going into the star and then your delta. So it is controlling the voltage and your current.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the load coming onto the generator is not exactly hampering to your switchboard. So it takes little time for getting load. Okay. Now when there is a fluctuation in the voltage, so who controls the fluctuation? Before we go for the software, we should know what is the basic funda. So what is the who control that fluctuation when suppose your big motor is starting, so the voltage is fluctuating, giving dip. So who is controlling the dip? Voltage regulator or AVR, automatic voltage regulator, is controlling your dip. Okay. So how much dip it is controlling? I think I told you AVR.
Yes, sir.
15% dip is being controlled by AVR in 1.5 second.
15%.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is a function of which is already adjusting, say 15% of dip is being controlled by the AVR. So AVR, so you will not have a very big fluctuation. And who controls the frequency?
Frequency with that governor we can control.
Frequency is controlled as the governor. So the governor, what is there inside governor?
It controls the flow of the fuel cell.
So what is there? Who is there giving command? Who is controlling that governor? Who is controlling the fuel rack? How it is controlling? Okay. Can you see this diagram?
Yes, sir.
So this is the center in the governor and you have a weight hanging from the center, and with the speed it is moving, crossing or going up, crossing and going up. So with that, when voltage frequency is fluctuating, so this is being regulating your fuel racks. Okay. So and that it is increasing or decreasing the speed of the generator. So your frequency is controlled by the governor and voltage is controlled by the AVR. It should be very clear. Okay. So now we are talking, this we can use directly, like here 1, 2, 3, these are 440 volt.
Okay, sir.
This is the NO contact.
Okay, sir.
This is the inline supply and this is your 220 volt. It can be used 110 volt to 220 volt. Okay. Then here we have a time and the ramping, how it is ramped. Because when you start, direct only you start straight away, but this slowly it is ramping. So we decide within so much of time it should ramp so much, and when it is ramping and then when it is getting full load, then we can cut it off. But now here in this circuit here we are directly connected motor with the soft starter, but we can make it a star delta, because star delta what we are doing, we are going star and then getting into the delta. But here we can start with the soft starter, ramping your motor. When the speed is coming, then timer will take place. Okay, this much, after this much of time, circuit will change and you can go direct online. Your contact is changed, like a star, it is going to delta. So it has gone to delta, like direct, and it is controlling your software. That is the basic funda of this. Okay. So you should remember, you have to like in normal conductor we have 13, 14, that is normally open. So here also we have normally open. You can see that here and say, and the voltage
A2 and A1.
110 to 220 volt control voltage we can apply. Okay. Then we are doing 3 phase all R by B. and then you are setting the time. And so what is there inside? We have thyristors. How thyristor is like this. When you see this circuit, in one line there are one positive, one negative.
Yes, sir.
And all three phases have one positive, one negative.
Yes, sir.
So it will have voltage like this in normal starter. But here what we are doing, as per gate pulses, this is ramping. It is going and then going slowly, slowly, slowly up and getting into the your full RPM. When the full RPM, then you can set a timer, and when you put the timer, it will change over. So your soft starter will cut off and your motor will be running as normal. So the jerk, what jerk was supposed to come on the switchboard, that is vanished. So it is more efficient. But problem is like this. If you run directly with this for longer time, it may burn. Also, it is expensive as the normal starter. Then almost a year or two, you have to you might have to change because it may burn. So you have to be very careful. So the advantage of this, because you have better load variations, उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते, बेटर आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. एंड डिसएडवांटेज इज मेंटेनेंस इज नॉट नो बट इट्स एक्सपेंसिव, but otherwise it is very good. So now we will start this. Please switch on supply. Okay. Now we have put the power on. This is the motor. So now we have set it to 10 seconds and around 40, 50, 60, 70, around 80%. ठीक है? We will start now. You see, it is ramping up. This is ramp, and now it has taken the full speed. Not it has taken full speed, and after full you can change. Now we are running on this. We can change the circuit also. We can make it like star delta, but now it is running on the full speed. This is what the software starter is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hope it is clear to all. Any doubt? Like we could have connected this to the contactor and we can take power from here. So when it is cutting off, then after timer will change over and this contactor motor will run in directly with this contactor. This is bypass. So the burning of this will not take place. Right?